Transforming a simple block of wood into a beautiful handcrafted wooden ball is a fascinating process. Using a lathe machine, the wood is carefully shaped into a perfect sphere. Each rotation and tool movement gradually reveals the ball's smooth, round form, highlighting the skill and precision involved. Once shaped, decorative patterns are added, giving the ball a unique and artistic touch. The final product is polished to bring out the wood's natural beauty, making it an ideal decorative item. Crafted with care, this wooden ball is both an artistic creation and a timeless decor piece.